Hello, my name's Cheryl and today I'm going to show you about silk painting. The first thing I'm going to do is run through the basic things that you need to make your silk paper. You need a small tray, A4-ish size. You can do it on plastic on the table if you want to, if you're not very precious about your table. You need a couple of sheets of some cheap netting. You need a J-cloth cut in half, some cellulose adhesive, or you can use Joe Sonja fabric medium or acrylic medium, either gloss or matte. This needs to be made up as per the packet instructions, and this needs to be made up 50 mils to 200 mils of water. You need some warm water in a jug with a little bit of washing up liquid, and that is my medium made up. And those are all the things you need to make your silk paper. Then we have some tussar silk, some raw bamboo fibres, some silk rods, some Angelina glitter, and some skeleton leaves. And I'll show you the process in the next video.